Um, yeah, right now I'm gonna go to sleep, so I'm gonna make this quick. I don't have like 10 minutes or something. Today we're gonna, draw Matilda. Drop it like it's hot. You know when like you have to drop it? You have to drop something when it's really hot. You can't hold it on your hands for a lot, like lava. What does this say? Read it. It says Matilda. Eggling Matilda sits between Red and Bomb in size. She has clean white feathers and a short, strong beak. Wait, her beak is strong but short. Okay. So, first step is look at my Angry Birds. I'm gonna do it here. Oh, I don't know if I have space. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna do it here. You have to first make a circle. I mean an oval, not a circle. Bomb was a circle. But you have to make Matilda as like an egg shape. You have to make an egg shape. Let me do it better. Wait. Hold on. Okay, I'm having trouble drawing Matilda's circle. Try it on two sides. Just gonna hold it. Mate. Okay. How do you do this? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. Gotta erase the red that Martin drew on it. Okay. Oh man. It's almost time. Okay, I think I made it. Finally. Made a perfect. Gasil! Okay. Have a little time left. Okay, so let's do this quick. You have to make an oval. Her eyes are kind of weird. So you gotta make something like that. Then you make like that. She's a girl, of course, and she's also a rooster. Wait, is it? Yeah. And then you do it up like that. Okay. Then you gotta put like a little circle in it. 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 Then what you gotta do, what you gonna do is basically make a little rainbow. Then you gotta make their eyeballs like that. Okay. I got this. I got this. Oh, la 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 la. I'm coloring this. She does not look like that. You guys make it better. Let me ask you a question. Are you just looking at this video, or are you looking and coloring at the same time? I have no idea. Okay. Once I'm doing this, please put a like and subscribe. Please. Just please. Okay. I'm serious. I'm your mommy. I'm just kidding, I'm not your mommy. Okay, you have to, just, okay? Wait, no, I have to make it a little more separate. My dad's watching football. I mean, not football Americano, but I was saying it in Spanish, of course. Am I silly or not? I'm just kidding. No. Let's see. So you gotta make those. You gotta make triangles on its head, but triangles that are standing. Then you gotta make you have to make three triangles. Okay, it's starting to turn out like it a little. Wait, what page is this? I wanna see, what is this? No, you're not saying. Oh. Next video we're drawing bluebird. Yeah. Okay, so after you do those rectangles, gotta make a little rainbow again. Then an upside rainbow. Like that, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay, maybe. I don't know. You can do it better. I know you can. Because this is just my first time drawing Angry Birds. Okay. And, then you gotta... Let's see. Oh, you know what it looks like on here? It looks like a little bread. You know what? The last video, I'm gonna make like them saying stuff. I'm gonna make them saying stuff. But I'm thinking of them. I'm not sure. Here's drop it like it's hot. But I'm gonna do something else. Drop that egg, yo. No. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be thinking on it. Okay. Now you gotta make like little ovals again. Like that. For its, you know, when she's, but here she's angry. She's angry if somebody messes with her pretty stuff. With the stuff. Oh, there's an earthquake. Yeah, this is what I did on another video. There's an earthquake, and then the battery ran out. Wait, no, the battery didn't run out, but just that was how far the video minutes can go, and I ended it like it. One of my videos. Okay. So now onto the coloring part. Once you got all that, gotta get some colors. And today I went to the park, rashed myself a little. I don't think you know it. See, like right here? I don't know if you can see it, but I have like a little blood, but it dried out. So, didn't hurt that much. Didn't even hurt. That happened by a little thingy. And look what happened. Securing. No. It's curing. Okay. So what you want to do for the color? Oh no, not yet. We forgot something really special. Forgot this part. Every Angry Bird has this, the bottom. Okay, we forgot that. That would be so bad. Oh, I don't know what color that is. Guessing it's yellow and this is... No, I'm just gonna do a peach. Let's see, where's peach? Okay, I'm gonna find peach. And, gonna find all the colors. So you're gonna need orange, brown, and peach. I'll see you when I find those colors. Okay, I found the colors. See it right here. This peach, this orange, and this brown. Here they are. Okay. So once you got those three colors, you don't need white because it's already white. But if your sheet's like another color, just get a white, or put glue on it. I'm just kidding. No. Or so it'll be all sticky. Okay. Oh, I was using peach. Okay, this peach. You can't see it really good on the camera. The camera, I thought, I was looking on the camera. You know what's my trick? When I was videoing this, I was looking on the camera and drawing. Okay, gotta draw these little circles. Peach under there. No, it fell. Gonna get it. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Good doggy. Good doggy. I'm just kidding. Okay. No, but you really are a good doggy. Okay. So once you do that, that's just a toy doggy. Okay. Gotta also color it peach down here. You don't want what's her name? You don't want Matilda to get mad. So yeah, this title is How to Draw a White Bird or Matilda. You could call it whatever, White Bird, Matilda. I'm gonna do it easy for y'all guys, so like you could find it easily. So like the ones that don't know what the white bird is named, well, basically it's Matilda. And right here I'm telling you all their names. And yeah. So if you don't know her name, you could just call it white bird. Right? So on the beak, you have to get orange and color around that circle. Color around it. That. Okay. And now, gotta do what you gonna do when they come for you. Bad boy, bad boy. I'm just playing Angry Birds. No, I don't think you could hear it. Okay. Did you know a little secret that my dad, he always watches my videos that I make? I am so embarrassed. Well, not embarrassed, but so shy. You know, in real life, I'm shy. I'm shy. Shy. I don't really know what color that is. I think it's dark red. But I'm coloring it brown. See, it looks like brown. Light brown. So we gotta color that smooth. Okay. That actually looks pretty good. Once you follow the steps. Oh. I did red bird in the oval. Right here, I think I'm gonna do the 3 little birds. You know, the 3 blue birds? Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do them there. Okay. Bye, guys. Don't move on to another. Actually, I'm just kidding. If you like this video, please put a like on it and subscribe. Also, if you don't like this video, if you like this video, share with your friends. Anybody, share with anybody. And, okay. And if you don't like this video, don't put an unlike on it. Just go to another video. Gotta put a like. I don't have that many likes. But the day that I have a lot of likes, don't listen to me. If you guys didn't watch it. Bye. Poopies. You know what? That wasn't the you know what. That was my mouth. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna say both of them at the end of each video. Poopies.